Hi, I'm Lenny Rudo from Boat US, and I'm about to go for a boat ride. But before I do, that means I gotta put on my inflatable life jacket. Now, prior to putting on my life jacket, I need to give it an inspection, as you do every time you put on your inflatable life jacket. We need to note there are a lot of different makes and models of these life jackets, and each one may have a slightly different inspection requirement, so be sure to check your owner's manual. What we'll cover here today is a pretty universal view of the inspections you need to do. The first thing I need to do is simply look at the exterior of the life jacket. I'm looking for any tears, any frays, anything like that, and I want to check the straps. I'll give them a good tug to make sure they're secure. Next, I'm going to check these hook and loop attachment points, or if the life jacket has them, zippers. And after that, I want to look at the oral inflation tube, make sure it's in place and the dust cap is on. Next, I want to check the manual inflation cord, make sure it's accessible and in the proper position. Finally, I need to check the arming indicator and make sure that the light's green. If that's red, this life jacket is not going to do you much good. Well, people, that's about it. Simple set of checks you got to do every time before you go for a boat ride. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you don't miss any future Boat US videos. And for now, come on, let's go for a boat ride.